Hello everyone. I am Dr. Ashley with Amethyst Chiropractic, and today I'm just answering a few questions that I've been getting recently about insurance. And so when they come in for chiropractic care or massage or acupuncture or dry needling, they will ask me questions about their insurance. And so having a basic understanding of insurance is a great way to start, and so that's what I'm going to start with today. So starting with the premium. So the premium is how much everyone pays for just to have the insurance from day one, right? So if if it's just you under your insurance, you may only pay, $200 a month, or the company that employs you may pay $100 and you pay $100 a month, but that gives you the insurance right there. Or maybe you have a large family, you have a family of 6 and you pay $800 or $900 a month. That's the premium just to have the insurance, just like your auto insurance, like whatever you're monthly paying just to have it. Next up is the deductible. So the deductible is the amount of money that that your particular plan, whatever plan you choose when you're enrolling in insurance, the deductible is the amount of money that you have to pay in that does not include your premium before the insurance kicks in. So let's say you have $1,000 deductible. Every month you're paying your $200 premium every single month, whether you use the insurance or not. But then you sprain your ankle and you have to come in to see me for care, right? And, it costs, let's just say $200 for all of the care that I give you to treat your sprained ankle. At the end of the day, you have not paid $1,000, which was your deductible. So you still have to meet your $1,000 deductible before your insurance company will start to pay for anything. So again, and deductibles vary. I've seen people have policies where they have a deductible and it's completely waived for their care. So they don't have to pay anything towards their deductible before they only have to pay their copay, or they only have to pay their co-insurance, which we're going to get to. Co-insurance. So co-insurance is the percentage that you are responsible for once your deductible has been met. So let's say again, you have that $1,000 deductible in addition to the premium that you pay every single month, the $200 premium. Once you've met that $1,000 deductible, let's say you had to go in for a whole bunch of checkups, a whole bunch of this, a whole bunch of that, boom, you paid $1,000 out of your pocket to your healthcare providers. Your deductible is met, but if you have a co-insurance, that means that you still are responsible for a percentage of your care. So let's say a visit to see me, Dr. Ashley, is $100. And you have a 20% co-insurance, that means that you pay $20 for your visit and your insurance company pays the remaining $80. So that means you have a 20% co-insurance and the insurance company pays $80. So that is your co-insurance. So let's talk about a copay. A copay is another thing that is, separate from your deductible, and it usually only kicks in once you have met your deductible. So it's usually also a fixed amount. So a copay is usually going to be a fixed amount. So you may have a $25 chiropractic copay. So you always only pay $25 whenever you see your chiropractor, whether you are having an exam, whether you are getting an adjustment, whether you're only having therapy, $25 is all you pay. That's your copay. And certain things like an exam may always have, a $40 copay associated with it. And again, every single policy is different. These are just generalities that I'm speaking in, but it does vary, from policy to policy. Some policies have both a co-insurance and a copay. So you're dealing with both. You're responsible for paying for the 20% co-insurance, and you also have a $60 copay or a $25 copay. Some plans only have one, some plans have both. Some plans will have a co-insurance that requires you to pay 20% of your accrued fees, and then also a copay of $25. So in order to determine that, we have to verify your insurance, and sometimes we end up having to call the insurance to figure out exactly what's going on with your particular policy. Once you have met your out-of-pocket max, your care is essentially covered 100% by your insurance company. All right, finally, let's talk about FSA versus HSA. So a lot of companies are offering now with their insurance a health savings plan or a flexible spending account. Let's talk about the health savings plan first. So with a health or HSA card, every month when you get paid, they put, whatever percentage you determine onto the card, right? So maybe it's $25 every month, or maybe it's $15 every pay period, or whatever value you and your employer come up with. That's what you put in your health savings account. It can be used for chiropractic care, dry needling, massage, all sorts of things, DME, like if you need to buy a brace, or if you need to buy, kinesio tape, or all sorts of things, menstruation products, toothpaste? I don't know about toothpaste. Don't I'm not sure about toothpaste, but there's a long list of different health related products that you can use your HSA card for to pay for your copay, to pay for your co-insurance. You can oftentimes use your HSA card, and usually those cards are pretty much permanent. So if you have $1,500 on that card on December 30th, on January 15th, you will still have $1,500 on that card. Now, the FSA, or the flexible spending account card, is different. So with those cards, it's almost the same. You determine how much money you're going to put aside and put onto this card. You can put aside up to like $2,700 on this FSA card. And again, you can use it for the same different things. You can use it for, paying copays, paying for your products, braces, different things that you need, dental work, whatever, chiropractic care, whatever you want. But on December 30th, if you have $1,500 on that card and you don't spend it with a healthcare provider like myself or someone else or some other healthcare thing on January 15th, all that money is gone. It just disappears. Poof, gone into the ether. And so in order to not lose that money, you can prepay for chiropractic packages, chiropractic care, massages, or whatever you want that is health related. But you do have to use that money before the new year rolls over, because for some reason it does evaporate. And so if you are in that position where you have met your deductible, you have an FSA or HSA card that is just accumulating money that if you don't use it, you will lose it. Use it, please. Don't throw your money away. Mistake. If you do have, a FSA card out there with some funds on it, do use it. You can use it at Amethyst Chiropractic. You can use it at Walmart for, buying, maybe you want to get some cold medicine before flu season starts, or maybe you want to get some vitamins or whatever. Make sure you use that FSA money before it is gone. If you have any other questions or concerns, or you're interested in having your insurance looked into as far as how much you're responsible for chiropractic care, feel free to give us a call at 479-271-0000, and we will go over your insurance plan with you and let you know exactly what your insurance company says you're responsible for when it comes to care. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via email, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter-ish, and let me know. I'm Dr. Ashley with Amethyst Chiropractic. Thank you. Bye-bye.